When the replacement from God arrives, you will have forgotten what you've lost. You would have forgotten what you were yearning for, that you thought was good for you. You will forget what you thought was the best thing that happened to you, that only brought you pain and suffering and, sad times. When that gift from God arrives to you, you'll have forgotten everything. You will learn and receive a new life, a new love, a new meaning, self-worth, self-preservation with someone that wants to be with you, cares about you, and love you. That hits different.